Welcome back to my channel. Di sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang materi eksergi analisis pada mata kuliah tentang termodinamik. Perkenalkan, nama saya Crispian Pardede, Pendidikan Teknik Otomotif 2021, untuk memenuhi mata kuliah dari termodinamik. Nah, pembahasannya itu yaitu eksergi analysis. Definitions: exergy or also called availability or work potential, the maximum possible work that can be obtained from a system at a given state in a given environment. In other words, the most work you can get out of a system. Next, surroundings outside the system boundaries. Environment: the area of the surroundings not affected by the process at any point. Or, for example, if a hot turbine, the air next to the turbine is warm. The environment is the area of the surroundings far enough away that the temperature is not affected. That state when a system is in thermodynamic equilibrium with the environment, denoted by a subscript 0. At this point, no more work can be done. Example: a coal-fired furnace is asset in a power plant. It delivers. The environment is at 300 K. What is the exergy of the added heat? You can ask 2 steps to solve this problem. Number 1, determine the maximum percentage of the heat that can be converted to work. Number 2, asking your answer from the first part. Determine the maximum work possible. This is the maximum work output possible between the given state and the that state. The heat is exergy. In this case, In this case, 30% of the 5000 kW is unavailable energy. It can not be converted to work. Why study exergy? In the last several decades, energy analysis has begun to be used for system optimization. By analyzing the exergy destroyed by each component process, we can see where we should be focusing our effort to improve system efficiency. It can also be used to compare components or system to help make informed design decisions. Next, reversible work. We or reversible work. The maximum amount of work it is possible to produce, or minimum necessary to input in a process between given initial and final states. Note that this is different from an isentropic process where we were given an inlet state and solve for the exit state passing S2 S1. Since the exit and inlet status are both fixed, the process is not necessarily isentropic. What two conditions will cause a process to be isentropic? Irreversibility, energy destroyed, wasted work potential. It represents energy that could have been converted into work but was instead wasted. What are some sources of high? To have high system efficiency, we want I to be as small as possible. Icon. Nah, di sini menggunakan rumus I sama dengan W rate. Out minus W U out, dimana work output device like a turbine atau OR. Lalu di sini ada I sama dengan W, atau work input device like a pump. Lalu ada W dimana di bawahnya itu U, yaitu actual work, the amount of work done that can actually be asked for something desirable. Next, surroundings work atau we sum. Her sum work is asked to push the atmospheric air or the surroundings out of the way. That work can be asked for other purposes. Nah, di sini kita dapat melihat rumus atau dapat kita katakan inilah gambaran semana untuk mencari dari P0 dV dengan menggunakan rumus ini. Lalu ada juga surrounding work surkan. Nah, ini rumusnya untuk mencari dari W sur atau surrounding work. Selanjutnya yaitu second law efficiency. Thermal efficiency tells us what we get out compared to what we put in. The second law efficiency tells us how much we get out compared to the maximum possible we call get out, given the inlet and exit conditions. Nah, untuk mencari dari second law efficiency dapat kita lihat rumus sesuai dengan buku yang sudah disediakan oleh dosen. Inilah rumus untuk dari second law efficiency. Terima kasih, sekian dari saya Christian Pardede untuk menjelaskan atau PPT yang sudah saya buat sesuai dengan tugas dari mata kuliah thermodynamics, di mana membuat PPT dan membaca atau menjelaskan sedikit dari PPT pada judul SRG. See you next time. Thank you. Bye.